Bend over for me now. Bend over.
Yeah, man, afternoon.
Yes, the afternoon. What's happening? How may I assist you today?
Yeah, man, some broke my foot, man, I did. Foot broke up, bad.
Looks that way, yes,
Yeah, man, so help me out there, doc.
So yeah, man, Andrew have some new regulations in place, you see?
So what kind of regulations that now?
So you're going to need 10 passport size photos. Those photos should not be older than 6 months. Those photos should then be signed and stamped by 10 Justice of Peaces and a letter from Andrew Holness himself, UCN Bolt and Bob Marley. Those letters should then be signed and stamped by 100 Justice of Peaces to confirm that your foot is indeed broken.
What? Yo, doc, what kind of rules them here?
And I mean, Andrew.
So you can't help me then?
Unfortunately not.
Jaja. Miss